Do you think how to export PST from Office 365? Then you need a simple tool like BitRecover Office 365 Backup Wizard to simply export PST files from Office 365 mailboxes with attachments. Let's know more about this software in video. The software interface is quite impressive and straightforward. Firstly, enter the credentials of your Office 365 account in the given field such as email address and password. If you are an admin of Office 365 account, then please check the I am admin option provided by the software. Then, click on the Login button and continue the process to export PST from Office 365. Now, the software analyzes the files and folders from your Office 365 profile. Please check the required mailbox for conversion to export PST files. Now, go to the Saving option and select PST option in it. Users can also change the language of default folder like Inbox, Draft, and Sent into Germany, Dutch, French, and more. Then, click on the Change button and specify a location in your machine to get the resultant files. Users can also make use of helpful function called Filter option. Check Use Advanced setting for selective folder option to use filters like Date, Subject, To, From, to export selective PST files from Office 365. Also, check Use Selective Export settings for email folder backup to export specific mailbox. Click on Export Sent Items for export only sent items folder. Click on Exclude exporting email body contents and attachments for export attachments. Now, click on Backup tab and back to the previous window and hit Backup tab at the bottom of the interface. The process of exporting PST files from Office 365 initiated. Users can also witness the live conversion report in the software interface. Then, receive a complete conversion message and click on OK button. Trial version convert only 25 emails. Here are your PST files exported from Office 365. Thanks for watching.